on the front of quality of education, I would like to share the great news that the IUB has been now ranked among the top 800 universities of the world by Times Higher Education, which is a renowned and established body to rank universities worldwide. Uh, and this is an indicator of the growth and development of the university, not just in terms of enrollment, but also in terms of quality of education as well. And our next task and the next challenge given by engineer Professor Dr. Atar Mehboob is to be part of the top 500 quarter of the universities, the top 500 universities globally. So all the faculty members, all the support staff, all the students, they are now working to achieve this task. And I do hope, and I am very much hopeful that we will definitely be achieving this task within short span of time, as the growth and development of the university is being uh, continued. So I hope that this task will be achieved very, very soon, inshallah.